Glow up in 1 month. Hey, beautiful souls! Welcome back. Today we have a special treat for you. We're diving into the secrets of achieving a stunning glow up in just 1 month. Yes, you heard it right. So, if you're ready to shine bright like never before, make sure to stick around. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's get into it. Setting the stage. Alright, let's kick things off by setting the stage for your fabulous glow-up journey. First things first, assess where you are right now. Take a good look at your skincare, beauty, and self-care routines. What's working, and what needs a little extra love? Incorporate positive affirmations into your daily routine to boost your confidence. Remember, the glow-up is not just physical, but also about embracing your inner beauty. Skincare and beauty routine. Now, let's talk skincare and beauty. Invest in a solid skincare routine tailored to your skin type. Cleanse, tone, moisturize, make it a mantra. Don't forget to exfoliate a couple of times a week to reveal that fresh, radiant skin. Experiment with makeup techniques that enhance your features. A pop of color on the lips or a bold eyeshadow can do wonders. Embrace your uniqueness and have fun with it. Fitness and nutrition. Moving on to fitness and nutrition. A healthy body contributes to a healthy glow. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. It could be anything from a brisk walk to a dance class. And of course, stay hydrated. Water is your skin's best friend. When it comes to nutrition, focus on nourishing foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Your body will thank you, and your skin will reflect that healthy lifestyle. Wardrobe revamp. Now, let's give your wardrobe a little love. Revamp it with pieces that make you feel confident and fabulous. It's not about following trends, it's about expressing your unique style. Mix and match, experiment with colors, and most importantly, wear what makes you happy. Mental and emotional well-being. Finally, let's focus on your mental and emotional well-being. Take time for self-care activities, whether it's reading, meditating, or simply enjoying a hot bath. Surround yourself with positive energy, and let go of anything that doesn't serve you. Remember, the glow-up is about embracing your authenticity and radiating positivity from the inside out. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to your 1-month glow-up journey for 2024. I hope you feel inspired and ready to embark on this beautiful transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below with your own glow-up tips. And of course, subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep shining.